Now me, I'm on some shit. Now me, I'm on some shit. I will set trip through your hood, bitch. I will let it go. I will let it go. That max and that tech, yeah, that grown folk. Don't go fucking with the kid. Don't go fucking with the kid. I'm saying this shit twice so you can get it in your head. Crime scene, FB, murder, man down. 6 shell cases found, automatic trade pound. Crack spot, murder block, niggas want me dead. I'm still riding in the trap with money on my head. I'm no joke, break smoke, Cali bug burning. My niggas is my niggas, the feds can't drum. I'm a blast for the bang, niggas moving the smoke. Fuck around, I turn your name to Loki. I'll be the beginning and the end of the bullshit. Started and finished right up with a full clip. Now, me, I'm on some shit. Now me, I'm on some shit. I will set trip through your hood, bitch. I will let it go. I will let it go. That max on that tech, yeah, that grown folk. Don't go fucking with the kid. Don't go fucking with the kid. I'm saying this shit twice so you can get it in your head. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Put them up, hands up, let's go. See you in. We in here. We can get the drummer poppin', nigga, it's going down, cause I'm around. 50 Cent, you know how I get down. What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? They say I walk around like I got ass on my chest. Now that's a semi-auto. In the vest on my chest, I try not to say nothing. When I won't play court, put on a drunk nigga down like it's a sport. Put on me, I cut your gut, but you fuck you get money. I can get none with you. I'm like the type you get knocked for DW. I'm the type of kid you connect from the complex. Gangsters that bump my shit, them they know. I grew up around some niggas that's not my home. 100 G's I stash, and that got blessed. These can reach up to these who are battery acid. This flo's been massive, the ice I flash it. Jukes me eye, your mama picking out your basket. I'm on the next level, break, but yet better. Rinse pedal to the left. I didn't need to cut blood. Put up, cuz. Put up, blood. Put up, gangsta. Put up, blood. Put up, cuz. Put up, blood. Put up, gangsta. We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that shit. We don't play that. I sit back, twist the best blood burn. When gangsters bump my shit, then they hear my heart. When that clip get up, quick it sound like in December, I'll make the block feel like the rap critics shout the rock. The things say my dope is a lie. Hey bitch, I fuck with it's a dime. I'm like, ready to look out, homie, I'm on my own. Where I lay my hats, my home, I'm a roll the show. Cross my path, I cross it, thinking I won't touch. I had your ass who's in a wheelchair, came to crush. Industry hoe fuckers, in the hood they love it. Stop a bone out your ass with some brand new stuff. What up, blood? What up, blood? What up, blood? What up? What up, blood? What up, blood? What up, blood? What up? We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that shit. We don't play around. We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that shit. We don't play around. We don't play that. We don't play that. We don't play that shit. We don't play around. Make some motherfucking noise! Hands up, hands up! I get it. I get it. Yeah. I run New York. I get it. I get it. Yeah. What you say? Yeah. What you say? I took one word, selling in bottles for two. The Coca-Cola came and bought it for me. What the fuck? Have a baby by me, baby. Be a millionaire. Write the check before the baby comes. Who the fuck? I'm stanky rich. I'ma die trying to spin this shit. Southside's up in this bitch. Yeah, I smell like the flow. I used to sell dope. I didn't play the block. Now I play all blows in the south for friends, baby. Central play. Get a tan, I'm already play. Bricks, I'm already there. Gangsta, get a gang. Hit a head, hit a head. Call that a real rap shit. Fuck it. I'm the big guy, make the bread, pop, I cut you. I'm out, spin a sprinter, then I blow a touch. Not fuck with this kid. I get this with the cig, I can wiggle it. And then I get it. I get it. Yeah. I run New York. I get it. I I get it. Yeah, talk. You know what? Nigga Teflon dog, boy, I run New York. When I come out the club, y'all pop the trunk. I keep the gangsta, y'all line the trunk. I get it. In the hood, if you ain't shit up, we didn't tell y'all about my boy. I get it. From the world, if you ain't shit up, we didn't tell you they know it. Oh, hands up, hey, oh, hands up, hey, oh, hands up, hey, oh, hands up, hey. I run New York, hands up, hey, oh, hands up, hey, oh, hands up, hey, oh, hands up, hey. I run New York, yeah. Here we go. Coming up, I was confused. My mama kissing the girl. Confusion because coming up in the cold world. Daddy ain't around, probably out the middle fella. My favorite rapper used to sing JJ, I'm a melon. I wanna live good, so shit I sell down. 4-finger ring, one of them go. Nana told me if I taste it, get the sheepskin. Rock a move from back, so I get the hat. Now that'll be dope, tossed and turned in my sleep that night. Woke up the next morning, niggas just stole my butt. Every day, same shit, ain't nothing good in the I run away from this bitch and never come back if I'm good. Hated a lot of underdogs on top. I'm gon' shine, homie, until my heart stop. Go ahead and beat me. I'm back to VP, and I ain't going nowhere, so you can get to know. Hated a lot of underdogs on top. I'm gon' shine, homie, until my heart stop. Go ahead and beat me. I'm back to VP, and I ain't going nowhere, so you can get to know me. So you can get to know me. Yeah, you get to know me. You can be close to me, girl, you be my only. Yeah, you get to know me. 50 Cent in the building. I said get to know me. 50 Cent in the building. Yeah, you can get to know me. Yeah, you get to know me. You can be close with me, yeah, you be the homie. Get in touch, know me, good. You gon' be that next show, head up in the trunk, after being hit by the pump. Is that what you want? Easy, nigga. I lay your ass out, believe me, nigga. That's what I'm about, can't stop. You can find niggas sitting on crowd. Hit the clutch, hit the gears, hit the gas, I'm gone. If I can't do it, homie, it can't be done. I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top, I'ma make it, baby. Actually smart with his mouth to smack. You don't lose fat, they might come back so flat. You ain't like a gangster, not like a gangster back. If you can hit, I'm sorry to be asking why. Oh no, look who prepped it with the flow, bro. 20 years been sitting on low, bro. East side, west side niggas know, yo, I'm low. Yeah, my mama said something really wrong with my bro. Niggas don't rob me, they know I'm down to down my chain. See you, man. We get it poppin' in the hood, see you, man. Motherfucker was good, I'm waiting on niggas to act like they don't know how to act. After sipping too much that, I blow them up the map with the Mac. Thinking it's all rap, till that ass get clapped. Doc says it's a rap, it's a rap, nigga. If I can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top, I'ma make it, baby. If I can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Now I'ma let the champagne bottle pop. I'ma take it to the top, I'ma make it, baby. I'ma make it hot.